Good morning. It's Saturday, day 6. It's 11 o'clock, so it's not really morning anymore. Today is gonna be a lot different than the rest of the week. Last night we were helping my brother move. What time did we get home? I don't know what time we got home. Yes, AJ? Yeah, Daddy's making you one.
I'm gonna make you one, man.
So we don't know what time we got home, but we all just woke up and it's 11 o'clock. He just tried my ginger shot.
This stuff is real.
I think I ate too much ginger, honestly.
Yeah.
It's very gingery.
Good though.
We get Amazon packages and Herbalife packages and all kind of packages, Walmart every day. Like, I just hurt my husband's body. It's now 11:30. Consistency. The trick is to hold your breath until it's all down, and then you just breathe out. Because I said you want to try to give me a shot, you were all like, yeah, I tried. Alright, I'm gonna make my shake now. I'm gonna do it in fast forward again because it's the same thing from day 1 and 2. So if you want the exact recipe, just rewatch my day 1. And I'm gonna make my yeah, AJ! I'm gonna make my shake and tea now. Okay, so I'm about to go to the gym now and get it over with. We got stuff to do later. There's no kids club on the weekend, but my husband just made me some Prepare while I was getting dressed. Just a shot of Prepare because I just had tea with my breakfast. And then we're gonna head over to the gym, so see y'all there. At the gym, I'm in the passenger seat today, and I have company. Okay, we're going inside now, bye. Post-workout smoothie. I got this one right here. 180 calories. And here. Did you put whey? Yeah, I got that 100 calories. And I also got fat burner added. 0 grams of fat. That's good? Yeah. Okay. Alright, we're on the way to Kamara's boyfriend's football game. A protein bar. I'm gonna eat this, and the kids want to go out to eat, so afterwards we're gonna go out to eat. Right now I'm gonna have this, some water. Listen to it again, I'm not sure. When you're trying to eat healthy and your kids want to go to a pizza buffet, I'm going to eat a big salad first, and then I'm going to eat those. Balance. I bet you when I weigh myself on Monday, I'll still lose weight though. They're so happy right now. This is their favorite place. Okay, we're home. I did not do bad. I showed you guys everything I ate. The only thing I didn't show you what I ate was I ate one more piece of flatbread. What was it? Barbecue chicken barbecue flatbread, but it was small. All good. I don't feel like I ate too much. Don't feel guilty. I did. I thought he was taking it with him outside.
She gave her son a water gun in the house.
It's little. It's just water. So anyways, we went out to the football for Kamora to watch her boo thing. I want to say hi. And now they wanted to go eat, so now I'm gonna make some tea. I'm gonna post a picture of her boyfriend on the next thing. He's so cute.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna judge me, but I'm friends with his mom, and we've been friends since I was literally Kamor's age, so it's all good.
See?
He's already spraying. Okay, I'm gonna make this tea, and then I'm gonna go make some signs for my husband's business so we can go put those up tonight. Openers.
She's like the elephant.
Okay, it's getting late. It's 10:38, so I need to make my shake now. I'm just gonna make it and bring it with me because we have to go hang up those signs. No. He's always singing.
Why you wanna be here?
Okay, I'm gonna make my shake.
Guide me.
And then I will record doing my Prolessa shot with my shake, and then I'm just gonna make my shake. I'm gonna make it like an iced coffee like I do in the morning. I won't feel like I'm drinking a shake. I'll feel like I'm just drinking an iced coffee. That's why I like having shake for breakfast and shake for dinner, because for breakfast I can act like I'm drinking coffee, and then for dinner I can either act like I'm drinking coffee or I can make myself dessert and make it thick like an ice cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my shake now. Prolessa. Cheers. Okay, this is gonna complete day 6. Getting confused because I post the day before the day of the next one. But yesterday was Friday, that was day 5. Today's day 6. So tomorrow will be my full week. Monday morning. So Monday morning I'll tell you how much weight I've lost. But that's it for today. And I enjoyed my pizza. She's ready. I'm gonna go edit this video and then go drive. Bored of these videos yet? And of my food yet?
Let me know in the comments below if you like my videos and my food ideas. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, share with everybody you know. And if you want to start with me, let me know, because I'm going to do this for 100 days. And I have accountability partners on Instagram where we tag each other every single morning to be accountable for breakfast. So if you want to be tagged to stay accountable, then come on, let's do it. Because I'm trying to make my body in the next 6 months. And with that, I'm going to leave now. See you guys tomorrow on the next video. Okay, then say goodnight. Good night.